Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Zapier with Shopify. To start the process, open your Google Chrome in your PC. Now search for Zapier. Then click on Zapier.com. Here click on Create Zap. Now search here Shopify. Now choose an event from here. Then click on Continue. Here click on Sign In. Now open the new tab. Then search here Shopify. Click on Shopify official website. Here click on My Store. Now copy your store code. Go back and paste that code here. Then click on Yes, Continue to Shopify. Here click on Install App. Go back to the Zapier. As you can see, Shopify used in one zap. Then click on Continue. Here click on Test Trigger. As you can see, no customer was found. After that, click on Action. Here click on Google Sheet. You can connect Google Sheets from here. Then choose an event. Click on Continue. You can connect Google Sheets by signing in. Then click on Add Account to continue. Here you can turn on this toggle. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.